think too much, but when I think of you, I long to feel your touch. To whisper in your ear, was it all our time? Was only you was here, if only you were mine. I wish I could get back to the very first day I saw you. Sheila made my move when you look in my eyes. Guess by now I know that you feel the way that I do. And that whisper this way that should lie here by my side. I love you. Please say you love me too. These sweet words, they could change your life.